Hello friends, welcome to this channel, and in today's video I will tell you and show you how you can easily pin as well as unpin a text message on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write your comments after watching this video. So let us get started with you. And first of all, open the messaging app on your iPhone. And then in order to pin any of the messages that you have, tap on it and hold it down. And now at the bottom, select the Pin section. And as you can see, this conversation immediately appears at the top in the pinned conversations. And if you click on it, it will take you to all the messages that are in this chat. And in the same way, you can pin several chats at once. And to unhook the other way around, you'll need to click and hold on a particular chat in the same way. And at the bottom, you'll have to select the Unpin section. And in this way, you'll be able to unhook the previously assigned chat very easily. Friends, with this simple method, you will be able to pin as well as unpin a text message on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please write your comments, put likes, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.